Hello everyone, I don't know if you know this, but I'm a bit of a drone person. I must confess, I have been kind of into drones for a little while now. Where's that little one I just had? I got this little one here. It's really good for indoors and everything. It's really small, fun to play around with. Then I got this way bigger one here. And I actually made a video about this saying why you should get this instead of a DJI drone. And pretty much it came down to that this is way less expensive to replace if you were to lose it or crash it. And the one problem I had is that the camera quality just isn't serviceable. It's good enough as like a beginner camera drone, but it's definitely not good enough to actually film anything with. And that's the big problem that I have, is that I want to be able to film some really good stuff. And I will make another confession to you, is that I already unboxed my good drone that I've just bought, but I didn't record any of it. So I goofed. I have all the wrapping right here. I haven't completely unboxed it yet, but I had a really good thing where I sprinkled this in front of the mic, yeah, I didn't record any of it. All right, the nice drone that I have gotten is the DJI Mini 2. It's not the MAvic Mini 2 anymore. I really couldn't tell you why they went with this naming scheme instead of calling it a MAvic. It looks like a MAvic, it flies like a MAvic, it records 4K video like a MAvic. I don't know. This is it, this is the box. It's absolutely gorgeous box. Looks like it belongs in an Apple store, which it does because they sell these at the Apple store. You lift this up and there it is. Let's grab a thumbnail real quick. And we're gonna switch camera angles to better unbox this so that you guys can actually see what I'm doing instead of me having it in my lap. You know, let's just go. Right on top, you have the drone, little finger holes to pull it out. Here it is. It's all packaged up, all nicely. It's tiny. Look at that. That's the size of my hand. Here is the size of my iPhone 12 Pro Max, and it's really, really small. Instruction pamphlet, obviously, we'll probably read that because we actually don't want to hurt this thing at all. Little USB Type-C cable is what it looks like inside. We got some more cables. Everything's falling out on me. Little antenna, maybe? And of course, the obligatory extra props, because these will break off, probably. And extra little joysticks for the controller. And then we have the actual controller, which, funny enough, is actually larger than the drone itself. I find that amusing. I don't know why. And then, of course, silica gels. We'll put this to the side and unwrap the controller. Now I get to do the good plastic thing. And now this is the part of the unboxing where I have to figure out how everything works and maybe take it for a little test flight, but that won't be in this video. It'll be in another video. So this was the Mini 2 being unboxed. Hope you enjoyed. I don't regret not getting the Fly More combo. That's too expensive for me. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.